Prep for exams, Week 6 Natural User Interfaces. User interfaces that you interact with using modalities such as touch, gestures, or voice are often referred to as natural user interfaces, NUI. Interaction is direct and consistent with people's natural behavior, for example multitouch. Advantages: direct interaction, lower cognitive load, can use existing skills. Affective computing, emotional computing. Affective computing is the study and development of systems that can recognize, interpret, process, and simulate human affects, emotions, feelings, moods. One of the motivations is the ability to give machines emotional intelligence, including to simulate empathy. The machine should interpret the emotional state of humans and adapt its behavior to them, giving an appropriate response. Another area within affective computing is the design of computational devices that exhibit convincingly simulated emotions. Emotional speech, facial expressions, mood visualizations. Applications in education, healthcare, gaming, etc. Augmented and virtual reality. Augmented reality (AR) is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities, including visual, auditory, haptic, somatosensory, and olfactory. Virtual reality (VR) is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interfaces, VR places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds. By simulating as many senses as possible, such as vision, hearing, touch, even smell, the computer is transformed into a gatekeeper to this artificial world. The only limits to near-real VR experiences are the availability of content and cheap computing power. The desktop metaphor. In computing, the desktop metaphor is an interface metaphor, which is a set of unifying concepts used by graphical user interfaces to help users interact more easily with the computer. Prep for exams, Week 6. Input methods for handheld devices.